Today I'm going to do a science demonstration for a fourth grade classroom, and the strand is physical science, and the content standard it's going to focus on is the total amount of matter is conserved when it undergoes a change. So to do this demonstration you'll need salt, a small scale, a spoon, a cup of warm water, and then an empty container for your salt, and a piece of paper and pencil to record your findings. So first I would start off by talking to the students saying, so I have a cup of warm water, I have salt, and what do you think will happen if I weigh them each before, and then I combine them and dissolve the salt into the water, and then weigh it again? What's going to happen to the weight? Is it going to change? Is it going to stay the same? Will it increase? Will it decrease? What do you think? And I will have them record their predictions on a piece of paper, and then I would start the demonstration. So I would turn on my scale, and I'll weigh the warm water, and that weighs 6.2 ounces. So I would record that on my piece of paper. Then I will put an empty container onto the scale for the salt and zero it out, so we're just weighing the salt. And then I will pour some salt into there, and it weighs 0.8 ounces. So I'll record that on my piece of paper as well. Then I'm going to pour the salt into the water and stir it so that it dissolves. Having warm water helps it to dissolve quickly rather than with cold water. So once it's dissolved, then I will zero out my scale again, and I will weigh the total. And it weighs 7.0 ounces. Then I will talk to the students and say, okay, so combine the water and the salt beforehand, which 6.2 and 0.8 equals 7, and that's what it actually ended up being when you combined it. So then I would ask them, were your predictions correct? Were they incorrect? Why do you think they were? And I will explain to them that whenever you have matter, even if it changes, the weight stays the same. Since the salt and the water beforehand, when you combined them, the weight was still the same, and then we would discuss that, and they could talk in small groups as well about their findings. Okay.